All right, so what about subtraction? Well, just like with the addition of fractions, we need to first check whether the denominators are the same. So in this case, they are. So that means we just need to perform the subtraction in the numerator. So we're going to take 3 minus 1, and that's going to be our new numerator. And then the denominator is just going to be 5, just like the two fractions that we started with. So when we finish this off, we'll end up with 2 over 5. But what happens if the denominators are not the same? Then just like with addition, we have to get a common denominator. So in this case, I'll take the 3 over 4 and I'll multiply it by 3 over 3. Right? I'm multiplying it by the denominator of the other fraction. And then I'll take the 2/3 and I'm going to multiply it by 4 over 4. And again, I'm taking the denominator of the other fraction. Okay, so when we perform these products, well, 3 times 3 is 9, and 4 times 3 is 12. So we're going to get 9 over 12 for the first product. And for our second fraction, we're going to have 2 times 4, which is 8, divided by 3 times 4, which is 12. Okay, so our second product turns into 8 over 12. And now we have two fractions with the same denominators, so we can just go ahead and subtract their numerators. So I'm going to get 9 minus 8 over 12, which is just 1 over 12. Okay, and lastly, if you have a situation where you have a whole number thrown into the mix, remember, just make it a fraction. Just like with addition, we just make all the whole numbers into fractions. So I'll take that 7 and replace it with 7 over 1. So I've actually got 7 over 1 minus 1 over 5. So how can I get a common denominator here? I can just take the first fraction, 7 over 1, and multiply it by 5 over 5. So I'll take 7 over 1 and multiply it by 5 over 5, and then I've still got my minus 1 over 5 here. Okay? Remember, you're just multiplying by 1. This 5 over 5, this is just equal to 1. So if you multiply something by 1, you're not changing it. Okay, so what will the product look like? Well, we'll have 7 times 5 is equal to, what's 7 times 5? It's 35. So we'll have 35 35 over 5. That's what this product works out to. And then we're going to subtract from that 1 over 5. So now the denominators are the same, so we can go ahead and just subtract 35 minus 1, and then leave the denominator of 5 as before. So we'll end up getting 34 over 5 for our final answer.